Good day or night, everyone. We are here from Colegio de San Juan de Latran, Calamba, and my name is Leander Asuncion, and my members are Dermin Ramos and Cedric Pulutan. Our project name is Alien Star Chase, where our character is an alien spaceship that the objective is finding stars to obtain it and gain more score, and make you satisfied as long as the game is running and fun. The movements of the game is space bar, left arrow, and right arrow.
Arriba Letran. This is the project of our group. Galaxy Chase is a high-intensity scoring game designed to challenge players, reflect strategy, and competitive spirit. The objective is simple: achieve the highest score possible by completing tasks, avoiding obstacles, and mastering fast-paced gameplay. The game revolves around the dynamic points systems are rewarding for players for speed, accuracy, and creativity. Points are earned by navigating through intricate space tracks, collecting power-ups, and performing advanced maneuvers with your starship.
The goal of this game is to gain score by collecting stars using the spaceship, which allows you to move left and right and flipping gravity to go up and down. The more score you gain, the harder the game becomes because the higher score you get, the harder it is to control the spaceship.